hit me! I have to hit him back! I will make him pay!
Stop! What are you doing?
He hurt me first. I want revenge.
Before you go, listen to the story of the snake and the saw.
One night, a snake entered a workshop looking for food.
It accidentally crawled over a saw and got slightly cut.
Thinking the saw attacked it, the snake struck back in anger.
Bleeding and furious, it decided to strangle the enemy. It squeezed the saw with all its might.
And ended up killing itself.
That's scary. The saw didn't do anything.
Exactly. The saw is lifeless. The snake's own anger killed it.
So if you fight back against him, you'll be like a snake squeezing a saw.
Revenge is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die.
I don't want to be that foolish snake. I'll go treat my wound. I won't fight.
When you hold on to anger, the person hurt most is not your enemy, but yourself. Drop the saw and let your wounds heal.
Subscribe to learn self-love.
Comment, forgive below.